I say?
It smells gross.
It's recording right now. Do you want to be in it or behind it? If you're gonna be in it, then you have to come to this side. You're not gonna partake? I need 2 of you. Do you wanna try fried squid with me and Tiffany on video?
No.
Why?
No.
I need 2 kids.
I'm not doing them.
Come on.
I want to touch it.
Okay, so touch it. Come on and try it. You seen that video I showed you. He ate it no problem. Tiffany, you got almond or coconut flour everywhere. They ate it raw.
Is it the whole thing is just safe to eat?
You can eat the whole thing. I'm gonna do it too. Well, aren't you gonna make a
That's
video?
squid head.
This is the head? I don't know head.
It's
I was about to just put it in my mouth and just chew.
Okay, I'm gonna go first.
I'm not eating the head though.
Oh!
You can do it.
I'm not eating it now.
Tiffany! You're killing it. It's already dead. No, it's not. It's a crusty. Its species is almost extinct. It's called the crusty dead squid.
Come on, eat it, boy.
No. I never touch. This is it.
It's not bad. Here.
I want to touch it. It
It might-
tastes like a sunflower seed. It's not okay.
It's
You like sunflower seeds.
Exactly. Ooh, it smells like rotten eggs.
It does not.
Smell it. It smells like
Actually, not bad.
Ew. Ew. It tastes. I touched it with my tooth.
Just try it.
Ew, it's like
It's not bad. It's not as bad as what you think, is it? See? It's not as bad as what you think. Corey?
No.
Babe?
What did I just eat?
It's a big hard no for
Yeah.
me.
Don't not spit.
I can't eat it. He spit on mine. Oh no. I'm so
What about the
sorry.
ring part?
No way.
I'm not going anywhere near an octopus.
It's a squid.
Oh, sorry.
I'm still not.
Try this one.
It's a hard pass.
No. No more. No. 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 No.
You eat burgers and chicken and you feel mean about eating a squid?
Yeah, because
Well, I also don't like
I mean,
Fish unless it's
shrimp.
my burger
Well,
isn't in the shape of
why
the
can-
cow I killed.
God.
Why can you eat shrimp but you can't eat squid?
Because
Because, Mom,
squid are
look at
beautiful
this.
Hey, Ella's son ate it raw. Well, not raw. It was cooked, but it wasn't
My
fried.
boy's tougher than me. I ain't touching even a cooked one.
creatures. We cooked up by Gordon Ramsay. I'm not touching it.
Ugh.
Ew, it smelled really bad.
The meat right here is good. Right there.
But what did you cover it in?
I used coconut flour. So I made like an egg wash mixed with like some heavy whipping cream, and then I soaked the squid in it, and then I soaked the squid in it, and then I put this
Don't touch this,
in
it's
salt, pepper, and coconut oil, and then I fried it in the air fryer. It's not my favorite because I'm not a huge fan of like crab and stuff like that anyways,
Try crab.
but it
But I
wasn't
won't try with squid.
bad. Not like what I expected squid to taste like, I guess. So my kids are chickens, Ella. And I am too, to be honest. I don't think there was any way I could eat a raw one. Not raw. It's not raw. I know it's cooked, but plus we couldn't find octopus. We could only find squid, and ours was like only like tentacles and like the squid head like cut into rings. So yeah, that's it.
This is a squid. And this is part of a squid head. Delicious.